Prenatal yoga and tips. Nurturing your body and mind during pregnancy. Pregnancy is a beautiful, transformative time in a woman's life. As your body undergoes physical and emotional changes, it's essential to maintain a healthy lifestyle that nurtures your well-being and the health of your growing baby. Prenatal yoga is one of the best ways to stay active and connected to your body during pregnancy. Benefits of prenatal yoga. Prenatal yoga offers a range of physical, mental, and emotional benefits for both mother and baby. Here's how regular practice can support you throughout your pregnancy. 1. Improves flexibility and strength. As your body changes during pregnancy, you may experience tightness and discomfort, particularly in the hips, back, and legs. Prenatal yoga helps to maintain flexibility and increase muscle strength, supporting the added weight and physical shifts your body undergoes. 2. Eases pregnancy discomforts. Yoga can help relieve everyday pregnancy-related aches such as lower back pain, swollen ankles, and tension in the neck and shoulders. Gentle stretching and relaxation techniques improve circulation, reduce muscle tightness, and promote relaxation. 3. Reduces stress and anxiety. Pregnancy can sometimes bring a mix of emotions, from excitement to stress or anxiety. Prenatal yoga encourages mindfulness and breathwork, which can reduce stress and help you feel more calm and centered. Breathing techniques used in yoga are particularly effective in managing anxiety and promoting a sense of calm during the ups and downs of pregnancy. 4. Prepares for labor and delivery. Prenatal yoga strengthens the body and prepares you mentally and emotionally for childbirth. Many poses focus on opening the hips, improving posture, and maintaining the pelvic floor muscles, key areas to help with labor. Learning to control your breath during yoga can also be a valuable tool for managing contractions and staying calm during delivery. 5. Enhances connection with your baby. The gentle movements and focus on breath allow you to slow down and tune into your body and baby. This mindful connection can be a unique experience that helps you bond with your growing child. Tips for practicing prenatal yoga. If you're considering prenatal yoga, here are a few tips to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. 1. Consult your doctor before beginning any exercise program. Especially during pregnancy, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider. They can advise based on your specific situation and guide you on what exercises are best for you. 2. Choose a certified prenatal yoga instructor. Practicing prenatal yoga under the guidance of a certified instructor with experience in working with pregnant women is essential. They will ensure that the poses and movements are safe and appropriate for each stage of pregnancy. Look for classes specifically designed for prenatal yoga to ensure you're following safe guidelines. 3. Listen to your body as your pregnancy progresses. It's essential to listen to your body. If a pose feels uncomfortable, don't hesitate to skip it or modify it. Avoid overexertion and allow yourself to take breaks as needed. Remember that every pregnancy is unique, and what works for someone else may not suit you. 4. Focus on breathwork. Breathwork is crucial to relaxation and stress management in prenatal yoga. Deep breathing helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing the body's stress response. Practicing breath awareness can also help you stay focused and calm during labor. 5. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential during any yoga practice. Drink water before, during, and after your session to ensure you remain comfortable and well-nourished. Conclusion. Prenatal yoga is a beautiful way to stay active, reduce stress, and prepare your body for childbirth during pregnancy. You can nurture your body and mind by incorporating gentle movements, breathwork, and mindful practices, creating a sense of well-being that supports you throughout your pregnancy journey. With the tips and poses outlined above, you can begin your prenatal yoga practice safely and confidently, enjoying its numerous benefits for you and your baby. Always listen to your body, practice patience, and enjoy this time of growth and connection.